Okay.
Hi, this is Crawdad Outdoors. I'm Crawdad, and today we're going to be repairing a laser sailboat. Come here. I don't know if you can see the spider webbing or not, but we're going to be repairing this. It goes all the way down here to here, and then there's this crack right there.
Oh yeah, they can see that good.
And then over here, some more spider webbing, some more, and then we got some crack right there. And then we got a soft. It's kind of soft. Like right here too. We put your feet soft. We gotta fix this. We gotta fix that right there. And we gotta fix this one right here. And then we're gonna clean up this right here. Clean these up. All these screws and everything we're gonna undo. We're gonna put new bearings and stuff in these. This is okay. Anything that looks kind of rusted or bad, we're gonna fix up. But first things first, we gotta do hull paint first. So let's get back to it. Before you do anything with hull or anything, you gotta clean your boat first. I put some soap on there. You can use a scrubber thing or a washcloth. I use both of these. If I need something and I need to really scrub, I use this. If this is just real light, and you can get like nooks and crannies with it. This is just a fast. Get things done fast. Now to go to the wash-off part. Gotta wash everything off thoroughly. I bought this boat from a sailing center or yacht club, and if this was my boat, it would never look like this. Okay, it's actually really a lot cleaner than when I got it. We're gonna redo this too. Put a little bit more fiberglass on here. Clean up some of these rust spots. We're gonna sand that down right there. Try to fix that. We're gonna do some boom job. We're gonna fix up the boom, get some of this rust off of here, sand it down. We're probably gonna repaint it. We gotta fix it. Gotta fix that. These still might be good. I might replace these. Replace some of these bolts and screws. Kind of rusty. This boat right there is about, I think it's a 2000. Yeah, it's a 2000, and it needs repair quite a lot. Like right here, I'm gonna try to do this. I'm gonna try to fix that. Maybe put a little. I might just cut this off right here. Put a little carbon fiber.
Okay, I can't hold it with my left hand.
I'm gonna have to fix this right here too. I didn't see that. Stay tuned. Gotta run by the shop. What? Gotta go by the shop. Gotta get some paint, sandpaper, and stay tuned for episode number 2.